This is a DDAmanda video on Brookmount Explorations Inc., symbol BMXI on the OTC. Now this is a producing gold company. They are mining gold and they're profitable. Okay, they have mines in Indonesia and they just acquired some new mines here in Alaska and Canada. Here's the data from DDAmanda. She closed on Friday at 9 cents. Only traded $120,000, and she hasn't really traded a lot here either. Uh, Here's a 200-day high of 10.75, 10 cents. And let's scroll down a little bit. Before that, she's trading 5 cents, 6 cents, 4 cents. 200-day low here of 3 cents back in March 26th. And again, here's a 200-day high of dollars traded back in February. Now, there's been some recent developments here, and so let's dive a little bit further into what this company's all about. Let's take a quick look at a chart. I'm going to push this chart button here. I already have it loaded. So here we go, BMXI. Look at this Chaikin money flow here, guys. Whoa. All green, look at this. Just going crazy here. Stock's going up, but not that much. Drop back, going up. Look at this. Here's your 50 MA right here. She's sitting supported right there on top of it. So, very interesting. The MACD looks like it just turned up also. Can you see that? Yeah, here you go. Here's your MACD going up. So it looks really, really positive here, guys. Okay, let's look at the share structure here. And I'll push the OTC market summary button to get here. I'm uploading a big file, so I've pre-done these. Okay, you're authorized 200 million. Outstanding 105 million. Unrestricted 75 million. That's your float. Held at DTC 72. I guess you could consider this 72 million the float also. This is old, this 34, the float is 72, 73 million. Okay, let's push the filings buttons and let's look at these financials. Again, I've preloaded these. Alright, so what do we got here? What kind of money are these guys making? Well, here's your balance sheet for the quarter. And you have total current assets, $3 million. This is in thousands. That's kind of like your liquidity here. But look at this. Total assets, $45 million. That probably is their, their gold properties, what have you. Liabilities, what do they owe? Total liabilities, not even $3 million. So here's your total assets, $45 million. Your liability is $2.7 million. I mean, talk about a balance sheet that has a lot of money in it. And what does that mean for the, well, what about book value, okay? I've already done the calculations on this, but if you subtract the 2.7 from the 45 million and divide by 105, you get a book value of 40 cents, okay? And that is shown in DDAmanda with this right here, book value almost 41 cents. Which gives her a price to book ratio based on based on that of 0.15. In other words, she's trading at 1/6 or 1/7 of her book value, which is insane, okay? And here's your earnings per share. We were going to get to that. It's 9 cents, so let's look at earnings per share. Let's go back to these financials. So let's look at the income. Income statement, last quarter, gross profit, $3 million. Operating income, $2 million. Net income, continuing operations, right here, net income, $2.4 million for the month. So if you divide this by your 105 outstanding, divide 2 by 105, you will get earnings per share, if you multiply it times 4, which is what earnings per share is, it's yearly, you will get earnings per share of 9 cents. And where is she trading at? 9 cents. I mean, is this nuts or what? So we have a cash ratio of 7%, so most of it is in their investments. But here's your price, your PE ratio. Look at this, 0.7. Okay, it's crazy. Most companies have a PE. I mean, it can go all the way up to 50. But for a gold company, normally your price to earnings are like 15. So if you use the PE of 15, where would this be trading at? Well, multiply 15 times 0.09 and you get $1.35 a share. That's what normally this company should be trading at. $1.35 a share, which is well, the current price is 9-10 cents. That's 13 times to get up there. Is that crazy or what? So in summary here, we've got a gold mining, a producing gold mining company trading at 9 cents with a book value of 41 cents, earnings per share of 9 cents, and a PE of 0.7, which at 15 would make this thing trade over $1. So absolutely wholly, unbelievably undervalued here, guys. Okay, now here's a recent filing that just came out on Friday, 6/21. The CEO filed a Form 4. Okay, here it is, where he bought 3.3 million shares at 0.125, acquired right here. And this was filed on 6/21. That was just filed on Friday. So I would think this guy is he likes his company and he wants to have shares in it, which is always a good sign. Okay, let's check out recent news, and I've already preloaded this. Here we go. OTC Markets. You just push the news button in DDAmanda to get here. Brookmount Gold announces updates on PCAOB audit. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that. They're trying to get PCAOB audited. It's in progress because these guys are probably going to go to NASDAQ, guys. And look at this, a dividend spinoff. So, do I have this loaded yet? Here it is. Alright, this was on April 26th, just a couple of months ago. Brookmount Gold, gold producing and profitable gold mining company with production operations in Indonesia and investments in North America. They've got 3 important upcoming milestones for the company. Okay. The first one is this multi-year PCAOB audit, because they need this to go to NASDAQ. So they contracted with a respected audit firm, Hal Chadwick, out of Sydney, Australia, and they're working on this audit. Okay. And they did a due diligence visit to one of their operations in Indonesia, and you can read this on your own. The other big thing here is they're, I guess up to now they've been in some kind of a profit sharing thing with Indonesia, but they're buying this property out, this producing property. They're going to buy them out. So they got a buyout going on, so they'll have full control of day-to-day operations and also revenues. And so that's a big deal there. There's a picture of the guy. And the third thing is they're going to do a spin-off here of the North American stuff, which will mean that shareholders are going to get a piece of this. Okay. Portion of the shares of the acquired vehicle, and so that's a big deal there, I guess, because you guys are going to get, we're going to get dividends in this thing. We're going to get shares in this spin-off type of deal. Okay, that's it for the news, recent news. I want to show you some tweets that that the companies have been putting out, and the latest one is okay. This is the one where you purchased the 3 million shares right here, and yeah, this is it again at 125 a share. This was on Friday. Then we got this one. Here he talks about this Talawan project, and the net present value is estimated to be 75 million here, based on partial estimate of total gold reserves. So that's nice. And then here they say that the audit is in the final stages. Okay, that was on June 13th. And then here again is the mine production data. Okay, this is, what they've been producing at this mine. And they got a strong trend in grams per ton as well as total grams per month. So here's these chart here. And well, there's 20,000 grams of gold produced in March, I guess. So anyway, these are, here he says demonstrating world-class gold grades. With yielding 1.2 ounces per ton. Pretty amazing. So they are keeping shareholders informed, which is a good sign. And I'm expecting some great stuff to happen here. Okay, that's the Twitter account. Okay, we're going to wrap this up here, but let's take a quick look at their website. So here we go. This is their website. And there's, here we go, profitable junior gold mining company. Profitable 14 quarters in a row. Here's their gold projects. Here's one interesting thing that just came out. This is their chief geologist, Aaron Kimball. Now what they did is they evaluated this Talawan mine range here, and it is producing, or estimated at 20 to 80 grams per ton, which is huge. Okay, that means this is a world-class gold mining operation. Some of these others, a comparison to some of these others gold mines, I mean, these guys are getting 11, 13, 15, 28, 50 grams per ton average on this new mining range that they're going to get total control of. Okay, so there you go. Here's some growth strategy. You can go to their website and check all this out. But let's what's the bottom line here? What are we looking at here? Well, we got a profitable gold mining company. Gold is on the rise, and it's going to go up even higher when the economy crashes. Trading at 9 cents. Got 105 million OS. Got a book value of 41 cents. A price to book of 0.15, which is like a quarter. It's trading at 1/4 of their book value. Earnings per share the same as the stock price, at a PE ratio of 0.7, which should be at 15, which would make this stock trade at $1.35 a share. Okay, guys, that's it. I hope you have a good rest of the weekend. I thank you all for watching, and onward and upward, baby. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, you know. Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, you know. I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on.